Alright guys, what I told in my Telegram channel, Bank Nifty looking for short today. So let me explain where exactly we entered. So what exactly we are doing, so we predefining so what trade going to take tomorrow. That is why I told that I'm going to short today by using daily time frame. So let me explain why I was looking for short today. So according to the price action method in a daily time frame, that was higher point and that was lower high. So next lower low and they create a new lower low. So means creating lower high and a lower low. So that is why today we was looking for short. All right, let me explain where exactly we end up and what type of trading strategy we are going to use tomorrow. We'll discuss later. So first, this one, let me check it 15-minute time frame. So here, so in a 15-minute time frame, first price open a little bit gap up and within 15 minutes, price drop drastically. So next candle, price again shoot out. All right. Next, they're forming a bullish candle. So finally, they form a bearish candle. So once they form bearish candle, so we already told that we are looking for short only. So that is why we are looking for short. So why we short in this area? So let me explain here. Just a minute, rectangle. Okay. So here in this area, what we have seen. So that was supply zone. So why this called supply zone? So let's see some smart money, this area push the market and they almost booked the profit in this area. Why? Because after giving this rally, so premium they already collected 70 to 80%. Nobody 70 to 80%. All right. Nobody are waiting after collecting 70 or 80%. They will come out from the market. So next, they booked the profit, this blue candle, and the next, another smart money enter here, big boys, you can say like that. In this area, again re-enter and push the market to this level. All right. So in this area, some people here I can see some people close somewhere here after giving this pullback, or some new people are entering in this area. All right. So who people entered, they still alive, but these people are not alive. So once price pull back and reject upper side, so we are looking for short in this area. So exactly we short it. We kept it 50 rupees SL. Let me explain. And 1:2 profit ratio. So here we keep it 50 rupees. Let me show you 50 rupees. Very tight SL somewhere here. 50 rupees and we booked 100 rupees. Let me show you 1:2 target 100 rupees somewhere here. Because according to the price action method in the 15-minute time frame, they are changing the trend. All right, here I can see lower low and the lower low, and finally create a new high. So we expect, so we expecting that price will give a pullback from this key level, and we use 1:2 ratio somewhere here. Okay. So next, let me show you another entry point we entered twice today. So next, again price goes up and we have seen this that one rejection again, and this acts as a resistance. It's the most important line now. So later here you can see they form a thin bar. So I use 1:2 again in this area. So let me show you here. So we entered somewhere here. We place SL almost 80 to 90 points and our target around somewhere here. Just a minute. Okay, above this line, I place 60, 70, 120 point. We collect 120 point, 140 and 140 point. 140 point, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, yeah, somewhere here. So why I place this area? If you go to small time frame, that was a rejection. All right. So we expecting that price will drop to this level. Of finally, price drop and we book the profit. So you can see price goes up, we miss that opportunity because we design this strategy in that system that once we confirm that we are going to short, so means we will short. Even price goes up, shoot up again, shoot up, we miss that all opportunity. So why we did it? Because according to the daily time frame price action method, they are creating lower low and then lower low. That is why today we was looking for short only. So let me explain for tomorrow. Let me remove all things here. Okay, so let's see first in a daily time frame. What is the pattern day up for me? So according to this price action method in a daily time frame, they are still forming lower low. So let me explain. So here I can see that was lower low, and today again from a lower low. So if you see, price push the market lower. All right. So if you see the upper side, they fail to create a higher high, fail. So means still seller pressure are strong comparatively buyer pressure. All right. So means who people sold yesterday somewhere here and push the market, they still alive, right? And today who people sold somewhere here in this area, push the market, but finally some correction are there. So still they alive, right? Now, suppose these people book their profit after hit this level, now but these guys still alive. So means we are looking for short if price stay below today's higher point. So let me explain. Yeah. So this one today's higher point. So I just connected this one today's price hit and reverse back. We are looking for buy if price break 42,300. Let's say 10. If price break this level and sustain above this level, so definitely we'll go for buy by using price action method. If price open anywhere like here, anywhere, basically we are looking for short if price stay below this level. All right, that is the rule. So suppose price opens somewhere here and break this level, we will be buyer. We will convert to a buyer because this guy somewhere here a position are there. That position will be in the money. So as a seller, they never wait once their strike price become in the money. So that is the rule. So once price break their entry point, so price will be definitely in the money. So basically they are buying this like out of the money. That's okay, but once break this level, so these guys are not holding their position. They will close their position and they will try to trade that by opposite side. So that is the rule. Okay. So let me show you in a small time frame. Let me find out this supply zone where basically we are looking for short tomorrow. Okay. So here I can see where is the supply zone. So supply zone, you have to find out the nearest supply zone. So where is the nearest supply zone? So let me show you. This rejection candle. Have you seen this rejection candle? So if price like open somewhere here and pull back, pull back, pull back, so we will wait for a rejection candle in this area. So once they form this type of rejection, we place sell order below this candle and we use at least 1:2, 1:3 ratio, profit ratio. Okay. So suppose price open somewhere here and goes up, and somewhere here the rejection are somewhere there. Again, price drops, so we will wait and again we'll draw a reject supply zone. So once appear and form a rejection, so definitely we'll short it in this area. That is the rule. So basically we are using a 15-minute candle, 15-minute candle. Once they form bearish candle, so we'll short it. So let me explain where I enter exactly. Okay, let me zoom a little bit. So let's say that day I was looking for short. So once they form bearish candle, so I place sell order and price drop. And again, here you can see next day form as bearish candle. Want to break this level, short it. Break this level, short it. Like break this level, short it. Like that. All right. So we need a demand or supply zone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.